Hello guys, welcome to Varanteki, a place for better learning. Please do like, share and subscribe for more interesting videos. In last session, we have discussed how to code Python in Google Colab and Python keywords. In this session, let us learn about the identifiers in Python and comments in Python. Identifiers in Python. We have different names, right? In the same way, for naming various elements in a program, we use identifiers such as variables, functions, classes, modules, etc. Identifiers are essential for providing a unique name to these entities, making it easier for programmers to reference and work with them. Here are some rules and examples of Python identifiers. First rule must begin with a letter, either capital or small, or an underscore. This is the valid Python code variable or underscore variable. This is the invalid case. The second rule is the remaining characters can be letters, underscores, or digits. So we can use after a first letter, we can use any number or digit or underscore. Other than underscore, all other symbols are invalid. Case 3. Case sensitive. Mean capital and small letters are different identifiers. Here we can see variable and variable, which is different. Cannot be a reserved word. Avoid using words like if, else, while, etc. as identifiers. Here are some examples of Python identifiers. For variables, we use in this way. For functions, for classes and modules. And for constants, we can use uppercase like pi max value in this way. Invalid identifiers. Starting with a digit, using a reserved word, contains an invalid character are invalid identifiers. For best practices, choose descriptive names for better readability. Use lowercase with underscores for variable and function names. Use uppercase with underscores for constants. Be consistent with naming conventions in your code base. Now, let's go to comments in Python. Generally, comments are given in order to understand the code, and comments are not executed and are purely for human readability. Here are the ways to add comments in Python along with examples. First one, single line comments. Means for a code we can give a single line comment in this way. Print hello world. Here we gave a single code comment. This is a single line comment. And multi-line comments. Multi-line comments can be given in this way. Here is the example. This is the multi-line comment example. And third one is inline comments. Mean in the same line we can give comments. Example x is equal to 5 means assigning a value to x. In this way, in the same line we can give the comment. Comments for function or class documentation. Here is the example for comments for function or class documentation. Best practices for comments. Be clear and concise. Keep comments updated. Avoid using more comments and give it a clear and simple code. Comments are the integral part of writing maintainable and understandable code. They help other developers or future self to understand the purpose and functionality of code. Thank you. And we have provided the PPT in the description. Please download if needed. Thank you.